Mastering relative clauses. Becoming a pro with pronouns. Hello language enthusiasts. Today we'll be exploring an important topic in English grammar. Relative clauses. Specifically, we'll be practicing how to create sentences using given relative pronouns. Grab your notebooks, and let's dive in. Relative clauses are types of clauses that allow us to add extra information to our sentences without starting a new sentence. These are often introduced by relative pronouns like who, which, that, and whose. An example would be, I have a friend who loves to read books. Here, who loves to read books is the relative clause providing extra info about my friend. There are several relative pronouns in English. Who, used for people. Example, the woman who lives next door is a doctor. Which, used for things. Example, the car which is parked outside is mine. That, used for people or things in restrictive clauses. Example, the book that you gave me is interesting. Whose, used to show possession. Example, the girl whose cat is lost is crying. Now that we've covered the basics, it's time to practice creating sentences using these relative pronouns. 1. Who. Think of a person who inspires you and create a sentence about them using who. Example, my grandmother, who is an amazing cook, makes the best apple pie. 2. Which. Consider something around you right now and create a sentence using which. Example, the lamp, which I bought last week, has stopped working. 3. That. Write a sentence about a book or movie you recently experienced, using that. Example, the film that I watched yesterday was truly inspiring. 4. Whose. Consider a person and their possession to create a sentence using whose. Example, my brother, whose guitar skills are amazing, just joined a band. Remember, practice makes perfect. Try to come up with as many sentences as possible. That's all for today, folks. I hope this video has helped clarify the concept of relative clauses and the use of relative pronouns in English. Keep practicing and you'll be creating intricate, information-rich sentences in no time. Remember, language learning is a journey, not a race. So take your time, practice consistently, and you'll see improvements. Until next time, happy learning!